Hello and welcome to ChangeGear 7, the industry's first intelligent ITSM. We're really excited to highlight some of the new intelligent features that come with ChangeGear Service Manager. ChangeGear 7 intelligent features help your staff to find resolutions faster and provide end users with more engaging options for self-service. This is accomplished using our patent-pending Service Smart technology, powered by machine learning and big data. Let's get started. Let's take a look at incident management. First, you'll notice some big innovations that help you to submit and resolve tickets faster. ChangeGear's intelligent field recommendations make ticket fulfillment a breeze. Just start completing the incident summary and boom, instant field recommendations. It's just that simple. This feature provides real-time guidance that helps new staff to get going quicker and ensures consistency for ticket completion. But that's not all. Notice the intelligent suggestions icon that appears once ChangeGear's predictive analytics kick in. This is the Suggestion Center, the central place to find resolution suggestions in seconds. This will be your support tech's new best friend. Suggestion Center instantly serves up relevant resolution suggestions such as previously closed incidents and knowledge articles. Just find what you need, investigate, and quickly copy the contents directly into your ticket. With Suggestion Center, solutions come to you, speeding up resolution times and freeing up your support staff to work on bigger, more strategic activities. Now let's take a peek at some of the intelligent features to power up self-service. Once a ticket has been submitted from the self-service portal, ChangeGear's new Smart Responder immediately follows up with the end user, providing contextually related knowledge articles right into their inbox. Now that's engagement. This constant real-time feedback and information provided by the end user enhances the self-learning capabilities of the Service Smart technology. End users can also receive additional support through ChangeGear's new Chatbot feature located in the self-service portal. Chatbot is an automated service that can interact with end users to collect additional details that helps disseminate more targeted solution suggestions. The bot can also create a ticket for the user that will include the contents of the chat session in the conversation history for the staff. Finding the right information is always a challenge. You'll notice that intelligent search has been enhanced with predictive type-ahead functionality that makes finding items in ChangeGear easier than ever. Just another intelligent way to find the answers you need. Thanks for taking this quick look at ChangeGear's new intelligent features, powering a new era of IT service management. For further questions or support, feel free to contact one of our local SunView representatives or visit sunviewsoftware.com.